everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to force stop an app that's not working on your Xiaomi phone. So let's go to the top right and go to settings, select this, and then go to apps right here. Then go to manage apps. Scroll on down to the app where you're having an issue, like Facebook maybe for example, and there will be an option to force stop it right here. Then we can also go on down on here and we can look at the different options. We could clear the data. This will remove the password and everything like that, and then you're going to have to re-log in with it. So you have that as an option too if it's still not working. Otherwise you can uninstall it and reinstall it right there. But most of the time when you force stop it and then reopen the app, that will get it to work again. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.